Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Java AWT label component. So let's start. First of all, try to understand what label is actually and for what purpose we are using label. So label is actually the object of label class, and it is component under AWT package used for placing the text in the container like frame or window. So it is used to display a single line read only text, means you cannot change it directly, but through program by using certain methods of label we will be able to modify the content or text available within the label. So it is called basically passive control because it is not generating any kind of events. So in AWT we have two types of controls available: active control and passive control. Active control will be able to generate certain kind of event, for example button. So if you press button it will generate event, whereas label is not generating any kind of event. That's why it comes under the category of passive control. So to create label within our Java program we need to create the object of label class. So these are the certain constructors that are available for creating label. So first constructor, we have default constructor. It is not taking any parameter over here, it will just create empty label. Next constructor will take text as a parameter, so it will create a new label with the given string text. So by default the alignment of this text will be justified. Okay, next to this we have another constructor which is taking two parameters. One is the label text and another one is alignment. So you will be able to control the alignment of your text where it should get appear. So for alignment we have these three values: left, right and center. Okay, then we have this variety of methods regarding the AWT control label. So first method we have set text. So if you create label with first constructor, so in order to set its text we can use this method. So this method will set the text for your label with the specified text over here. Then alignment, to set the alignment of your label you can use this set alignment method. It requires alignment as a parameter, so any of this value you may pass over there. Okay, so it will set alignment accordingly. Next method is to retrieve the text of our label. We will use get text method, and in order to retrieve or in order to fetch the alignment of our label we will use get alignment method. Okay, these are few important methods related to control label. Now I will try to demonstrate you how we can create label and how we can use label. Okay, so for that I will create one new file. We will save our program to bin directory. So I will write label demo.java. Now here first of all I will import java.awt.star, then I will import java.awt.event. Okay, now friends, this first package will contains a label class that we want to use within this program, and this second class will contain all classes related to event handling. So to handle the window related event I am going to use this particular package. Okay, now I will create one class over here. Let's say label demo is our class name. Now we will extend this class from frame class. Okay, and now within this first of all I will create the main method of this particular program. So here I will write main method, and within this main method I will create the object of label demo class. Okay, so I will write label demo, let's say L is equal to new label demo. Okay, and next to this now we will add the constructor. So here I will write constructor of label demo, and here I will write label demo. Okay, now friends, whenever this object will get create, so automatically this constructor will get invoke. Okay, and whatever code we will write here, it will get execute. So first of all, we will try to write certain code for controlling the appearance of our frame. Okay, so first of all we will make it visible by using set visible method to true. Then I will set its size, let's say 500 by 500. Then set title label demo. Then set layout. Okay, and layout I will specify flow layout over here. So layout basically help you to arrange your component in specific manner. So here we are using the flow layout manager, due to which all the components that we will add to this frame will appear one by one at the center of frame. We can also control its alignment, okay, left side, right side, or at center by default we are getting. Okay, now after doing this I will try to add code for closing window. Okay, so to close window we need to add the window listener first of all to our frame. So I will use add window listener method. Okay, and here I will pass the window adapter class over here. So the advantage of window adapter class is that we don't have to implement all methods that are available within specific interface. So in our case we don't have to implement all methods that are available within window listener class. Okay, only one method I am going to implement here. Window closing is a method. Okay, so as soon as I will click on close button, the window closing event will occur and our method will get invoked. So public void window closing. Okay, it requires the object of window event class. So it will be like this, window event, let's say WE, and here I will write one statement, system.exit. Now as soon as I will click on close button, our window will get closed. Now first of all we will try to add here now empty label. Okay, so here I will write label L1 is equal to new label, and we are not passing any particular text over here, so it will just create empty label. Okay, and now I will try to execute this code. Okay, before that we will need to add it as well, so I will write add L1 over here. Okay, so this label will get added. Now I will try to copy the path of this location where our file is saved. Now start the command prompt. Okay, and now here first of all we will switch to this location. So I will write cd and our path and java label demo dot java. Java C label demo dot java. Okay, it got compiled. Now I will write java label demo. Now you can see we got this frame over here, okay, with title label demo. Now if I click on close, it is working, and this label was not visible. Why? Because we have not added any text over here within this label. Okay, So this was the first constructor which will create certain empty label. Now in order to set text to this label, we can use set text method. Okay, so let's try to set certain text to this label. So here I will use L1 dot set text and I will write certain text over here. Let's say first label, okay, and there will be semicolon. Now again, if I compile, okay, it got compiled, and now you can see we got this label over here, first label. Okay, so this is how we will create label with the default constructor, and later on we can use this set text method in order to add certain text to our label. Now next constructor we will try to use with certain text. Okay, so let's say label L2 is equal to new label. Okay, and I will pass here certain text, let's say second label, and we will try to add this to our frame. So let's say label L2. Okay, and now again I will try to compile it. Okay, it got compiled. Now I will write Java label demo, and now you can see we are getting these two labels one by one, first label, second label, like this. Okay, now one more label I will try to create here. Let's say label L3 is equal to new label, and we will create it with first constructor. And now I will try to fetch the label of this second label over here. Okay, and we will try to add it to the third label. Okay, how we will do that? So here we will write L3 dot set text, and here we will try to pass the get text method. Okay, so here we will write L2 dot get text, like this. Okay, L3 to our frame. Okay, so let's add it L3. Okay, now we will close this, and again I will try to compile. Okay, it got compiled, and now you can see we are trying to fetch here the label of L2 to L3. Okay, using the method called get text. Okay, like this you will be able to create label, okay, within Java AWT. So all these methods and constructors you will be able to use for creating label within Java programming language. Okay friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.